Show me something that TikTok overhyped but actually got it right. For me, it is this portable solar pack. This device can charge up to 4 other devices simultaneously. Best of all, it is rainproof, it is shockproof in case you drop it, also dustproof. This thing definitely has some weight. As you guys know, things can go out of control very quickly, and it is important to have one of these solar power packs in your emergency kit. Once it's on, it will show you your battery level right here, and on the bottom, this is where you'll be able to plug your devices such as your iPhone, your tablet, and other things. And it comes with a flashlight as well. As you can see right now, it is blinking for the SOS, but you can do it fast blinking, or you can simply use it as a flashlight as well, which is definitely helpful, especially if the power goes out. Right now, these things are on sale and they are selling out quick. I will link it below, so get yours while supplies last.